My name is Gracie, and today I will be reading a book about a funny worm and his adventures. Today we will be reading the book Diary of a Worm by Doreen Cronin. Mom says there are 3 things I should always remember. The earth gives us everything we need. When we dig tunnels, we help take care of the earth. Never bother Daddy when he's eating the newspaper. Today, I tried to teach Spider how to dig. First, all of his legs got stuck. Then, he swallowed a bunch of dirt. Tomorrow, he's going to teach me how to walk upside down. Worms cannot walk upside down. Finishing season started today. We all dug deeper. It rained all night and the ground was soaked. We spent the entire day on the sidewalk. Hopscotch is a very dangerous game. I forgot my lunch today. I got so hungry that I ate my homework. My teacher made me write, "I will not eat my homework 10 times. When I was finished, I ate that too. I snuck up on some kids in the parks today. They didn't hear me coming. I wiggled up right between them and they screamed. I love when they do that. Grandpa taught us that good manners are very important. So today I said good morning to the first ant I saw. There were 600 more of them in line. I stood there all day. I had the worst nightmare last night. Giant birds playing hopscotch. Mom says I have to stop eating so much garbage right before I go to bed. I got into a fight with Spider today. He told me you need legs to be cool. Then he ran. I couldn't keep up. Maybe he's right. I made Spider laugh so hard he fell out of his tree. Who needs legs? Last night, I went to the school dance. You put your head in, you put your head out. You do the hokey pokey, and you turn yourself about. That's all we could do. Today, we made macaroni necklaces in art class. I brought mine home, and we ate it for dinner. My older sister thinks she's so pretty. I told her that no matter how much time she spends looking in the mirror, her face will always look just like her rear end. Spider thought that was really funny. Mom did not. When I grow up, I want to be a Secret Service agent. Spider says I will have to be very careful because the president might step on me by mistake. It's a dangerous job, I told him, but someone's got to do it. Three things I don't like about being a worm. I can't chew gum. I can't have a dog. All that homework. Three good things about being a worm. I never have to go to the dentist. I never get in trouble for tracking mud through the house. I never have to take a bath. It's not always easy being a worm. We're very small, and sometimes people forget that we're even here. But like Mom always says, the earth never forgets we're here. The end. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you have a great day.